What if I told you didn't have to update all your Takealot prices one by one? You didn't have to edit your lead times one by one. Well, there is a way, and it's called batch operations. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So first of all, when you open the TSeller mobile app, go to the menu bottom right, and then scroll down until you see batch operations right above buy box tracking. Once you go there, you will see the different features there are when it comes to the bulk and batch operations. First of all is bulk updates, status management, and lead time control. So you would need to first select the offers that you want to do a bulk action for. So I'm going to select a couple of offers here. You will obviously select all of the offers that you want to do a certain action for. So let's say you have a certain SKU range or a new product or a certain range of items that you need to do something for. Go ahead and select all of them. Then you click on done. Once you've clicked on done, you can see 5 products have been selected, and then we can see the different actions there are. So there's update prices, and you can now add a fixed amount. So let's say I want to add 500 Rand to all of these products. I can do that, and I can also apply it to the recommended retail price. And you just click on update prices and it will do that. Or you can go to percentage and you can add 10%, for example, to the selling price and click on update prices, and that will then update all of the prices with 10%. There's also status change, so you can change buyable or disabled. So if you quickly want to disable items that are out of stock, you can do that. Then you have set lead times. So this is all the lead times that are available on your account, and you can choose obviously 4 or 5 days. If you have 3 days, that will also be there. Just click on update lead times, and then this will load and it will do all of it for you. And that's exactly how you do batch operations inside of TSeller. So you can save yourself so much time, so you don't have to manually one by one adjust certain things.